Hey guys, I'm Buck Weezer. This is Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube, and I wanted to give you a short video today to introduce you to my DIY tractor lift. There it is right in front of you. You see it? Got that Scotch tractor a few inches off the ground on the front end. Let's take a closer look. You know what this is? I got this from a buddy of mine. It's three 12-foot 2-inch heavy wall pipes, steel pipes, set up in a tripod. Chains around the top, and a $60 Harbor Freight 1-ton chain hoist. And that's all it is. So my buddy made this when he was 17 years old, and he's used it many times over the years, automotive work, engine replacement in different vehicles. I'll never need a 1-ton. I'll never have a 1-ton, need to lift 1 ton in the work that I do with tractors. But I thought this might really be convenient. Even if you just want to get the front end off the ground a few inches so you can change a tire, or if you want to get under there to replace the drive belt, maybe even change blades without having to take the deck off. This tractor here in front of us, the 1999 Scott, needs a new engine. Developed an oil leak that went undetected, and well, now it needs a new engine. It'll start, but it's banging so loud, it's about to blow up. So there's our first tractor on the new DIY lift. When my buddy first offered this to me, a few months ago, I turned him down. I don't need anything like that, I thought. Then he offered it again, and I've been doing enough tractor work lately that I thought, I bet I can use that and put that to good use. So yeah, there it is. All you got to do is pull the chain. The tractor comes off the ground. Pull the chain the other way. It lowers it. Easy peasy. It's great. I think I might end up getting a lot of use out of this and be able to work safely without breaking my back or doing any strange, potentially unsafe maneuvers. So there you go. Really happy to have it. Got to get started on an engine swap. Really not sure what my plan is for that yet. But I've got the engine hoist, got the tractor hoist, got the tractor lift. I'd like to hear what you think in the comments and questions below. Thank you for watching the video. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video with Buck's Small Engine DIY. See you later.